Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take full page screenshot on iPhone. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So for instance, let me just launch Instagram application and show you how this feature works. Here we go. Now I'm here on my daily feed of Instagram. Now let me take a screenshot of this page. Now just press on volume up button and power button on your iPhone. Now you can see that the screenshot has been taken. Now let's tap open the screenshot. Now as I took a screenshot of my Instagram news feed, there's no feature here to see the screenshot on full page. However, you can take a full page screenshot on your iPhone if you take a screenshot on your web browser or certain PDF files. Now let's delete this screenshot right here. Here we go. Now let me show you how this works by simply launching a web browser on my device. I'm launching Safari here. Now just go to the search bar and search for anything you wish for. It can be food recipes, any information or anything. I'm just searching iPhone here. Now you can just take a screenshot of this page by simply tapping on the volume up button and the power button at once. Now the screenshot has been taken. Now let's open this photo. Now just above the screenshot, you can see the option of full page, which wasn't previously available on our Instagram screenshot. If you tap on it, you can see that this screenshot is available on full page. Now this will allow you to scroll through your entire screenshot of this page. Now this screenshot of yours will be combined as one, and you can text or email this screenshot to any of your contacts. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.